Yeah. Look.
Yeah, I'm on my own. I don't need no one. I don't. Yeah, I'm in my zone.
Hey yo, Sir Monster here with a very special video. We're out here at Carnegie OHV Park in Northern California, here with Austin from Electro and Co. And we're standing next to a very special bike. This is the EMX14 from Electro and Co. I'm going to ask Austin a couple questions about it, and then we're going to go take it for a rip.
Oh yeah, let's go.
Yeah, give me just a quick, like, how'd you get started with these? What are we even looking at?
Sure. So originally the company was all formed and started on when Alta went out of business. I had an obsession with electric, and I have a kid that's 9 years old, and so we set out to build like a mini Alta for him. And in that process, we came up with this bike, which is based on a KTM 65. However, in that process, we also learned how awesome of a pit bike this chassis can be.
Yeah.
And so not only is it a kid's bike, now it's like we're advertising it as the world's most awesome pit bike. So basically what you're looking at is a 22 amp hour, 72 volt battery. This is a 3 kilowatt motor, but it's running at over 14 kilowatts right now. Cranks out about 200 amps. And essentially the kit is what we sell on our website, which is the complete harness, motor, battery, controller. It's very similar to what you would get with the Razor kit, except 10x for a real motocross bike. And it's about 1 weekend, and this thing can get put together if you have a KTM 65 frame.
KTM 65. And sorry, what was the top speed and range again?
Oh, nice. Yeah, so the top speed on this one, right now with the current gearing, if you were to just order it off the website, it'll go about 55. That's not power limited, it's just strictly like, that's plenty fast, I think, for the frame. And then the range is somewhere between like 10 and 20 miles, depending on how hard you're riding it. So it is a little bit more of an aggressive bike, and that's why the range a little bit lower. It's a really small battery, but when you want 20 horsepower and 60 foot-pounds of torque and a little tiny battery, sometimes that's what happens. But if you cruise it, you can get easily 20 miles on it.
That's great. That's all you need. Wow, I'm so excited to take these out. And you do have a larger version of this, right? It's the EMX17.
So we have an EMX17, which is based on a YZ85 chassis. So it's taking the same exact basically powertrain and all the lessons that we learned from this one, making it go up one extra size, a little bit more comparable to a Suron, if you will.
Okay.
A little bit bigger. This is more of like a pit bike, but both the EMXs are based off the same powertrain platform, and they use the tried and true setup that we've been using on these. And it's definitely something to take a look at on the website. The EMX17 is really cool too.
Hell yeah. So all those links are going to be down below. I think that's enough talking, and we're going to go take it out for a rip. Let's check it out.
Hell yeah, let's go.
Yeah.
Alright, so we're down to the pits. Trent, Nolan, Eric, Saronster, EMX14, EMX14, two KTM. It's all good, they're all KTM. So just so you can get started, you got 3 power modes. The switch is upside down for our race guy. So everything's upside down right now, but it's 1, 2, and then 3. And you're ready to go.
Hell yeah.
I would say don't start in highest though. Leave it in middle and then give her a feel.
Gotcha.
Very, very powerful, bro.
Oh, there you are. Yeah, let's do it. Yeah. Oh my god, this thing is powerful. Oh man, dude.
It's kind of like a little test track here. So, how do you want to like do your video and stuff?
I'm down to just rip around for a couple minutes, get used to it. The rear brake, it locks the wheel like instantly, so I got to get used to that. Ooh. Dude, this thing is awesome.
Oh, yeah?
It rides so well. I'm just a terrible rider. I'm slow. But wow, this thing's got so much just instant power. The moment you want it, it gives it to you. And the suspension's like actual dirt bike suspension.
Yeah, you're still in middle mode.
And that's still middle.
Clunky with the boots, so take your time.
Yeah, I feel so clunky with the boots.
Me too, bro. I don't normally wear boots when I wear these, but unadvisable to all the viewers.
What do you say we hit some like some hill climbs and stuff like that?
Okay, why don't we take it up? These hills might be a little intense, but I know some in the back, so we'll go do those.
Hell yeah.
Okay, let's take your time.
So it's just instant power, and I'm only mode 2 out of 3. And this is only their smaller version, man. And I gotta say, all I'm thinking about is putting on some supermoto wheels on this bike. Oh man. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh! Oh my god, it's so powerful! Oh my god! It picks the front wheel like nothing. Dude! It just picks the front wheel up like without even trying.
Right here. Let's get started though.
Yeah. Alright, let's see it. The front wheel wants to come up too much. No!
So close! Get it? Got it? Yeah. I'll ride it up.
Show me how it's done.
Nope, I won't. Alright.
Oh, look at these. We're out.
I'm loving it. It feels great for like a second and then it starts tipping. I don't know, maybe I'll pick it up a little higher. Dude, I'm in love.
Massive thank you to Electro and Co for letting me try out their EMX14. These bikes are absolutely insane. They just keep giving power. If you're interested in looking at these bikes, check out the link down below. As always, thank you so much for watching and stay tuned.
Yeah.